So, Star Trek just came past and gave me my Blackhawk Pro. This is a 60 volt electric scooter that has two 1,400 watt motors in the front wheel and the back wheel, producing, what's that, 2,800 watts, and it peaks at about 3,500 watts and it gets you up to about 80 k's. I'm so excited. It was $3,000 this scooter. I bet you I'll get more in fucking fines than the scooter's worth cruising around Victoria on this thing. So here it is. I'll just quickly put the handlebars on. These screws here, undo that screw, these two screws there, pull that light off, and there's two more screws that size underneath there. And it's hard to see, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath this plastic thing that comes off the light. But here it is in all its glory. The Blackhawk Pro. That's the company that makes it. Bexly. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? Wow. Man, I am gonna kill myself on this. Big hydraulic brakes. This is a scooter with so much power that is over the top. You know what I mean? God, it's gonna be so fun. I can't wait. Let's see now. Let's turn it on. So, to turn it on. Hell yeah. I've got no idea if I've got this set up properly or not. Accelerate? No. Accelerate. 2. I'll have to work it out and get back. But look at that screen, man. Jeez, it's sick as fuck. I'm gonna have fun. I am gonna have so much fun. So, I've got it going. Just got to take off the speed limit, and also stop because it doesn't go unless you start moving forward. So I've got to take that off. But check this shit out. So doesn't it just look fucking sick? Big rubber mat. It's so fucking cool, man. And look at this. Check this out. So we've got headlights. Lights there. Lights there. Lights there. Got lights at the back. And then look, when you want to indicate, it's got a left indicator, right indicator, man, look at this big ass screen. So how do we'll turn the lights off. How do we get the speed limit off there? Up and down arrow, P settings, here we go. P2, 60 volt, 5, 10, 7 is on 30, 8 is on 19. Okay, by the looks of that, it's either that to make 100%, it's on 30% at the moment, or it's that 19%, and we've got to make it 100%. It's either one of those two. It's 7 or 8. I'm going to have to go work that out. I'll turn it off for now, chuck it on charge, and work that out. So excited.